If there's anything that we have learned this past year of RVing, is that things don't always go according to plan. Before this summer has started, we started booking and planning our summer to remember road trip for this year. Now we did all the planning, scheduled out where we were going to stay, started booking all the RV spots back in November. So we had this beautifully glorious plan and a very calculated route. But as I said, things don't always go according to plan. One of our very first stop here, actually in Blue Water Key, the owner had actually sold their spot, which meant we lost our reservation. Now, thankfully, there was another availability. So, of course, we scooped that up because we wanted to stay about a week here. I mean, can you blame us? It's gorgeous, right? Well, there must have been a miscommunication between my wife and myself. I wrote down one date, she wrote down another. We won't mention who wrote the incorrect date, my wife. But apparently we were about a week off. So that really changed everything for us. We didn't realize this until about 48 hours ago. Yes, from right now, 48 hours ago, we realized we had to be from Houston all the way down to the Florida Keys. So we were in full panic scramble mode. We had to get packed. We had to get loaded. We had to get the truck and Airstream, the maintenance taken care of. We had to get haircuts. You know, there were so many things on our list that we had to do, but we did it. And we made it work. We made it happen. There were a couple hiccups along the way. You know, the last video was the bidet installation. I planned on installing the Wii Boost. So there were a couple things that, you know, I would have liked to get done before we made this journey, but again, things happen. So I will get that Wii Boost installation video to you guys next week. Hopefully that'll, you know, as I mentioned, help solve some internet and Netflix streaming video issues. But we'll see. So I guess the moral of this is, even though, you know, things may not go according to plan, you know, 50% of the time, look what the end result can be. I mean, this is how I'm waking up this morning. Got nice coffee, incredible view, and a sleeping family. So, all in all, not too bad, right?